Let's draw an amazing queen bee. First, draw its chubby body. Yellow. Draw a pleasant smile. Wonderful! Now draw a wing. Black. Terrific! And another wing. Keep working. You're getting better and better. Let's do stripes on the queen bee body. Nicely done. All you have to do is the bee's legs. And finally, a queen's crown. Violet. Blue. Violet. You have drawn a beautiful queen bee. The word queen bee begins with the letter Q. Write the letter Q and bees will gather together in a swarm. Blue.